Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in for one more episode of fixing this old C10. It's a 1981, and it's seen some road miles. Apparently, it sat for about 6 years, and I just went under the seat trying to find a crowfoot that bounced someplace. I don't know exactly where it is. I'm going to go inside and look. But I wanted to show you what I discovered underneath the seat when I was digging around looking for the socket. I looked at this. I thought, well, that's kind of cool. It's a country truck. It was down in Georgia. So Charlie Daniels, there it is. Goes with the CD player. So I found 2 speakers. I think they're 5-inch. Something else to install someplace. But I found all this trash too. You can see what the mice think of the truck. There's some of their droppings and some of what they eat. They like acorns. And that's a big old nest. Glad I didn't run into a rat or a mouse. They'd have probably been upset because I was digging through their house. But they're long evicted. They're gone. There was actually a snake under the hood. When somebody went to pick it up, the truck was parked for about 6 years. And there was a snake under the hood. He opened up, the fellow opened up the hood and was trying to get the engine started, and out comes a snake. So between the mice under the hood and the mice under the seat, which have now been evicted, and thankfully I don't have any snakes to deal with, I seem to have evicted the switchcraft from under the hood, and I'll put another video up to explain all that, but I'm going to... That's my funny. It's not witchcraft, it's switchcraft. And, you know, this month of Halloween, I'm just glad I'm getting rid of all that superstitious, stupid ideas underneath the hood. And I'll put another video up when I get something else fixed. Thanks for tuning in.